Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and I have a question for you. Are you looking to get more sign-ups and sales into your business? Well, pay close attention, because in this video I'm going to share with you how to sign up your leads into your business using a very simple formula. Before we get into each of the steps of the process, let's give you a quick bird's eye view. The reason most home business owners fail at getting the sale is that they do not follow this process. This is much like a recipe. When you follow the recipe in the exact order, you get the result, much like when you're baking a cake. Now, what people tend to do is they go for the sell first instead of at the end. So when you look at this diagram here, what you do first is you need to build an audience, then you need to engage that audience before you can sell to your audience. So when you have a highly engaged audience, the sell becomes much easier. So let's go through each of these in more detail. When you build your audience, this is crucial. Not everybody is your prospect, and that's where most people in the network marketing industry fail, is that they feel and are told that everyone is their prospect. So they make out that list of 100 and they talk to friends, family, people they know, and they wind up getting a lot of no's. They get dejected and quit. And you see, not everyone's on that list would benefit from your product and service. Because when you market to everybody, you market to nobody. So in the beginning, what you need to do is define who is your perfect prospect that would most benefit from your product, service, or business opportunity. So that takes a little bit of research on your part. You need to research your market. Who are your perfect prospects following? Who are the influencers? Who are the movers and shakers? What terms and lingo, what language are they using to describe the problems that they have? Once you know that, then you can go in and you can choose one lead generation strategy, and you're going to master it. So as you are using this lead generation strategy, you're going to be building this list. Now, this list can come in the form of building an email list. You can do ManyChat, which is a Facebook message bot, okay? You can build a social media audience, followers to your fan page, followers on Instagram, followers on Twitter, YouTube subscribers. Whatever that is, pick one audience and stick with it. Okay, if you try to do, there's that phrase, if you chase two rabbits, you won't catch either. Focus on one until you're generating at least 100 leads with your business. Then you can move to the next strategy. But I would suggest starting out using a combination of email with either ManyChat or building a social media following, because email is going to be your best asset. Because a lot of times with social media followers or with doing the ManyChat bot, social media can change the rules at a moment's notice. And so your account could get shut down on social media. You could wind up they might get rid of the Facebook message bot, ManyChat might go away, and you have no way to get in contact with your leads. So when you're looking at building your audience, do email with a combination of either doing Facebook Messenger with ManyChat or building your social media followers. Once you are working on building your audience with a lead generation strategy, then you have to start engaging your audience. And the way that you do that is you want to create content that educates your prospects. Basically, what you're going to do is you need to know and enter into the space of your market. Okay, you're going to be entering into the space of your market where your perfect prospect is hanging out, and you're going to serve that space. So the types of content you want to be thinking about are Facebook Live videos, YouTube videos, informational posts, answering questions if you're in a Facebook group, okay? Doing interviews with the leaders and influencers of your niche. And finally, this is more of an advanced one, would be webinars. But in the beginning, you want to start out doing a video, either a Facebook Live video or a YouTube video, because those videos tend to get the most engagement. Once you are building and engaging your audience, you can be doing this at the same time. Then you want to sell to your audience. So at this point, as you're engaging your audience, you want to start contacting your leads and following up with your leads. So this is where you're doing email or Facebook Messenger or ManyChat, or you're doing this by phone or Skype or text message. So when you've done the building and engaging correctly, you're going to have your prospects know, like, and trust you so much that they would be willing to give you their phone number to continue the conversation. So what you want to be doing to get to this point is you want to be seeking conversation over conversion. So when you make that first contact with somebody, this is especially true when you are going to be engaging with them on the phone, okay, in a one-to-one situation or on a text message. You always want to be asking quality questions. So these are questions to ask your leads. So here we go. Tell me what you want to accomplish. Why do you want to do that? What is keeping you from doing that? What are you going to do to get it? And what are the consequences of not getting it? So what you're doing is when you're asking questions, you're really digging for gold. And the purpose of these questions, again, is to seek conversation over conversion. The key is you need to listen and write those questions down. And then what you can do is once you have got these questions, you can then see if they're open to your product, service, or business opportunity and give them an out. So you would want to say, okay, based on what you're telling me, I have this that can, and then state the benefit of what your product, service, or business can do. If you're open to it, we can proceed to watching a video that gives you more detail about it. If not, no big deal. Okay, so you see how we did that? See if they're open, give them an out. So that's what you do here, and when you do these questions the right way, you have built an engaged audience the right way, they are going to want to answer these questions. They're going to want to talk to you. Now, did you find this video valuable today? If you did, leave a comment and share. Before you go, make sure you like my Facebook fan page and click the like and follow button. And while you're on my fan page, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you need to do is look for the tab on my Facebook fan page, click there, and click subscribe, and you will see my most recent video appear in the featured section. And if you really want to master generating leads for your business using this Build, Engage, Sell formula, I have a short video that will show you exactly how to do that. All you have to do is go to the link you see on your screen, and I also put that link in the comments section. I'll be the first pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.